Hey guys, it's Blaine Klein from Entrepreneur Takeover. Today, I will be comparing ClickFunnels versus lead pages. We're going to go over the cost versus the value. We're going to look at what your objective might be when considering the two software packages. And then lastly, I'm going to offer a free funnel download with ClickFunnels. So let's go ahead and take a look. The first software we're going to check out is ClickFunnels. Their package starts off at $97 a month, and you can also get that 14-day free trial. That's what I did, and that totally got me interested in the software. Allows you 2 weeks to try it out. There's no commitment. You can cancel at that time. That starter package is going to give you 20 funnels, 100 pages within those 20 funnels, and then you're going to be allowed 20,000 visitors to those funnels. So a funnel is a marketing tool that allows you to collect leads and then offer different offerings of your product in different pages. So it's very powerful. Sky's the limit as to what you can sell with these funnels. They offer sales funnels, membership funnels. You get unlimited number of members. What else do you get? It's not listed here, but you get a free domain. I don't know why they don't list it on here, but it's something I took advantage of. It's kind of cool. It's almost like a GoDaddy free domain. My domain that I picked is funnel-training.com. So they have access to some really cool domains. Let's go ahead and compare it with lead pages. Now, lead pages starts off at $37 a month for their basic package. That's unlimited mobile responsive pages. So that's how it's going to look when people visit it on their mobile devices. You're going to get unlimited lead boxes, also considered a pop-up, unlimited traffic. Same with domain hosting is also what ClickFunnels does. You get access to different ad builders. And this is also a pretty cool offering, $100 Google AdWord credit. That could come in handy, but that's not something that would really cause me to just want to buy the software. Also some pretty cool weekly group coaching. That sounds cool. I will say, in comparison to ClickFunnels, ClickFunnels has some awesome training when you first start. You can schedule a call with ClickFunnels and they will walk you through exactly how to set up funnels. That's something I did and I highly recommend if you go with them. So my favorite feature about ClickFunnels, they don't have it listed on this sign-up chart. However, it's their sense of community. So ClickFunnels has done this incredible job of getting people to drink the Kool-Aid, as they like to say it, where you have all these people that use ClickFunnels online and they're willing to help out. So I'm a part of 3 different Facebook groups where ClickFunnels members provide incredible amounts of value. These are people that have sold hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars using ClickFunnels. I'll definitely link up those Facebook groups on the bottom here, but also they have this funnel marketplace. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So once you're logged into ClickFunnels, you go to the marketplace, and these are all templates that you can search for and download, and instantly have access to some pretty incredible sales tools. So these ones start from free. People start selling them at like $100, $150, but there's a lot of really cool free funnels here. And if you'd like, I can share with you the funnel I'm using right now. I'm going to link that in the bottom as well. That's this funnel here. Definitely go ahead and download it. It'll go right to your ClickFunnels account, and you'll feel free to use it, send it to whoever you want. But it's definitely this sense of community, and I really value that with ClickFunnels, I know that I've met some pretty awesome people that use it, and anytime I have questions, it's incredible what the community does for you. Thank you so much, guys, for checking out the video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment below or email me. Also, if you want to check out that free funnel download, I will go ahead and link that up as well. Thank you so much.